students, today I will tell how to simplify a Boolean expression using Karnaugh map. Karnaugh map is a graphical way to simplify any Boolean expression. In Karnaugh map, we draw a map, which contains a certain number of squares. How to determine how many number of squares? You can see in this question there are 4 variables. So that means 2 to the power 4, 16 boxes. So we have to draw a map with 16 boxes. So we'll draw a map like 4 cross 4. Total 16 boxes are there. Then if 4 variables are given, 2 variables will take row side and 2 variables will take column side. Then here we use gray code in Karnaugh map like 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. This particular combination is known as gray code. According to the gray code is a type of binary code in which each successive number differs only in one place. That means either 0 will be converted to 1 or 1 is converted to 0. Like here you can see 0 0, after that we are writing 0 1. So 0 is constant and 0 is changed into 1. 1 1 is 1 is constant, 0 is changed into 1. Then 1 0, 1 is constant, 1 is changed into 0. So this particular order is known as gray code. So K map uses gray code. Then in row side also we can write the same gray code 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. If you are simplifying SOP, like sigma represents SOP and pi represents POS. So this is a SOP reduction. In SOP we use a min term and in POS reduction we use max term. So here if value 0 0, the min term is C bar D bar. As you know, in min term we put bar on 0. This is C bar D, this is CD, this is C D bar. Same way, min term you can write this side A bar B bar. This is A bar B, AB, AB bar. Then each box represents a number. Like this box number is 0, this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Actually this number is related with the binary representation. Like any particular box, see why this box number is 7? Because the binary equivalent of 7 is 0, 1, 1, 1. So 7 is 0, 1, 1, 1. So that's why this box number is 7. So like this way the numberings are there. Now after making this map, we fill 1 in the respective boxes. Which numbers are given in the question, we will fill 1. Like in box number 0, fill 1. In box number 1, fill 1. Box number 2, fill 1. Box number 3, 1. Box number 5, box number 7, box number 8, box number 9, box number 10, box number 11 and box number 12. So what numbers are given in the question in the respective boxes, we fill 1. After filling 1, we make the group. There are 3 types of group we make in K map: octet, quad and pair. 8 adjacent ones are known as octet, 4 adjacent ones are known as quad, 2 adjacent ones are known as pair. So in this you can see like 4 times 1 is here and 4 times 1 is here. Instead of making it quad, we will prefer it octet, like this way. This process of making octet is known as map rolling. Map rolling means just consider the map is rolled and the top edge is touching with the bottom edge. So if map is rolled, top and bottom edges are touching to each other. So this k times 1 will be together, and that's why this is the formation of octet. So one octet is there. Then you can see here we can make one quad, 4 times 1 is there, and here we can make one pair. This is an overlapping group. Overlapping group means कि one block we are sharing and one is a new block. This quad is also made by using overlapping group. Two ones already is there in another quad and one is new. So that why we are making quad. So here total 3 groups are there. Everyone is encircled in all 3 groups. So now how to simplify it? Octet. Which blocks we are using for octet? First thing we write the numbers like M0 plus M1 plus M2 plus M3 plus M8 plus M9 plus M10 plus M11. These are the 8 boxes that we are using in the octet. Quad. These 4 blocks are in quad. So which numbers? M1 plus M3 plus M5 plus M7. Now pair. 8 and 12. M8 and M12 is in pair. So like this way, first we write all the shorthand notations and now it's time for reduction. How to reduce? Like you can see for this octet, these 2 rows are involved, first and last row. All 8 values are either in the first row or in the last row. So we will see the common value of first and last row. You can see here the first row value is A bar B bar, last row value is AB bar. So the common value is B bar. Okay. And all 4 columns are involved in this octet and nothing is common in all 4 columns. So that's why the answer for octet is only B bar. Because from column side we are not getting any common. From row side common is B bar. So the answer of octet is B bar. Now see the quad. This quad 3, 1, 3, 5, 7. 2 rows are involved. The common value is A bar. First row value is A bar B bar. Second row value is A bar B. So the common value is A bar. So from row side the common value is A bar. And from column side you can see the common value is D. Because for this column value is C bar D, this column CD, common is D. So the answer for quad is A bar D. Now pair 8 and 12. 2 rows are there. Here AB and AB bar, common value is A. From row side common value is A. From column side it is in single column. So C bar, D bar is the answer. So now the map is reduced. So final answer is F is equal to B bar plus A bar D plus A C bar D. This is the final answer. So this is the way we can simplify any Boolean expression, especially when it is given in the cardinal form. This is cardinal form. Even if it is given in canonical form, then also we can simplify. So this Boolean expression is simplified using Karnaugh map. This is the final answer. So I hope this topic is clear. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.